black mask.
Woo! Woo! Who's having a good time? You are.
Crossbow killer. Struck again last night. Rosie and 4 of his guys.
People don't kill people I own without my permission. Why doesn't this crossbow guy know that? You know that.
I know it.
Why doesn't this crossbow? Why don't I own the crossbow guy?
You should own it.
I mean, I like crossbows. Oh, good morning. Good morning.
Morning.
Come in. We're just finishing up a little business. Look around. Shar of Ecuador. They're amazing people. Surprisingly gentle. I think you might like them.
Really?
They boil the heads of their enemies and they make these little fellas exquisite, aren't they? Look. Look at his little ears. His little haircut. Yeah, he's 1,000 years old and now he's just an ornament in my living room. Ooh, I love it. Harley Quinn.
Woo! Pinky swear. Cross my heart, hope to fart.
You're so tiresome!
If you want my mercy, shut that hole in the middle of your face and listen. You're gonna get me my diamond. I'll give you till midnight. And then I'm gonna peel off that pretty face and pickle it. Okay? Great club.
We got the girl. And it disappeared.
Fuck! Fuck! Go. Fetch. Amusement Mile, the booby trap.
Do we have to bring him back?
I think you can manage a couple of little girls. Just bring me back my diamond.
She betrayed you, boss. She betrayed you.
Are you sure?
Your little bird's a fucking rat. You want me to kill her?
No. I'll come to you.
Friends! Brothers! Men of Gotham! I have funded you. I've protected you. I've scratched your backs and kept you out of jail. Well, now it's time to say thank you. Go show those little bitches you don't mess with Roman Sionis! $500,000 to whoever brings me the girl alive. The rest, you can kill.